Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming you have an administrator account and a quick backup. This prevents data loss. Open Task Manager and look for any Windows 11 installation assistant or related installer processes, because lingering processes cause the already running lock. Once found, end those processes. Make sure to check background processes and details. If the assistant is not visible, use services to find related installer services and stop them temporarily, so you can proceed with a clean restart of the installer. Next, you perform deeper cleanup because hidden files or corrupted components can keep the assistant locked. Open services. MSC and stop Windows Update and Windows Installer temporarily, then clear %temp% and the C $Windows. -BT or C $Windows. -WS folders to remove incomplete installer data. Once done, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health and sfc/scano to repair system files. This prevents repeated failures. Finally, reboot and run the Windows 11 installation assistant as administrator so it can replace locked system files. Monitor Task Manager for any new or returning installer processes. If the assistant still reports it's running, create a temporary administrator account and run the assistant from that profile to bypass user session locks. Make sure updates are not paused. If problems persist, use the media creation tool to upgrade. That alternative performs a full in-place upgrade and bypasses the assistant lock as a reliable one-way fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.